Hi guys, this is Pankaj from Kreativo Pro team. Today I was working on a client side and we faced an issue. The maximum file upload size was very low and we did what we usually do. We added this code in functions.php file. We also created a php.ini file and added this code. Then we added this code in htaccess file, but still the file size limit could not be increased. So I searched for a solution that would work on all the sites regardless of the hosting. So I found this plugin today, Tuxedo Big File Uploads, and it's very good. What it does is it takes the control of uploads from WordPress and it points it to their own Ajax URL. That means this plugin will process the file and then hand it over to WordPress. They say that browser uploader won't work, multi-file uploader will work. So let me show you. I can come to add new. This is called the multi-file uploader and you can see this browser uploader. This is how it looks like. So the plugin will work in multi-file uploader as it says here. So you can see the upload file size limit is just 2 MB. I can just use this file. It's 11 MB, and if I try to upload it, you will see that I get an error. So let's add this plugin. I'll add it here, install it. Activate it, then come to the media settings and let me add 500 here. So what it will do is it will increase the upload file size limit from 2 MB to 500 MB. The thing is it breaks down the big file into some small chunks like 512 KB chunks, and then it will assemble the file and then hand it over to the WordPress. Perfect for our use. So let's now come back to the multi-file uploader and you can see that upload size limit has increased. So let's retry this and you can see that the file can be uploaded now. Okay, it's complete. So this is how you increase the upload limit, and if it still does not work, you can talk with the hosting company and see what's going on from their side. If you have any question, please feel free to write it down in comment section. On our website you can also schedule a free help session with us here, and you can also subscribe to our newsletter and get 2 free checklists. Thank you.